Stop wasting your life. Most people spend 11 months finding their socks and 1 month actually working. They start strong, get distracted in week 1, lose momentum in week 3, and by the end of the month, they're standing exactly where they started. You were supposed to be here, but you're still here. What if I told you the next 30 days could compress a year's worth of progress into one focused sprint? Not through motivation, not through a new planner, but through pure execution. First, you disappear. Not because people are evil, but because comfort spreads. Every time you sit to work, a notification pops up, someone calls, someone needs just 2 minutes. Those 2 minutes steal your future. If you want results 99% of people don't have, you must do what 99% won't do. No unnecessary calls, no random scrolling, no meaningless hangouts. If it doesn't feed the goal, it doesn't deserve your time. For 30 days, your goal becomes your identity. You don't need motivation. You need isolation and focus. Second, shrink the timeline. Why does it take a year to finish something? Because you gave yourself a year. Be honest about your day. In 8 hours, how much is real deep work? A few hours disappear in conversations. Some go into getting ready, and distractions eat the rest. Actual progress happens for maybe 1 or 2 hours. That's why life feels stuck. When you shrink the deadline to 30 days, you stop preparing to work and you start executing. Third, kill the aesthetics and choose one goal. Stop getting inspired by perfectly edited 5 a.m. routine videos. Real growth isn't aesthetic. You cannot chase gym, business, coding, YouTube, trading, and 10 other ambitions at once. That's not ambition, that's confusion. Pick one primary goal. If you absolutely must have a second, it must support the first. For 30 days, everything else becomes background noise. You're not here to look productive. You're here to win. Fourth, build 5-day checkpoints. This is where most people fail. Week 1 feels amazing. Week 2 is still solid. Week 3 brings doubt. Week 4 brings overthinking. Instead of staring at day 30, break the month into 5-day targets. Don't just say you want to lose weight. Say by day 5 you'll lose 1 kilo. By day 10 you'll finish a specific portion of your work. When you hit a checkpoint, your brain rewards you. Momentum builds. If you miss one, you don't panic. You adjust, reset, and continue. Clarity kills overthinking. Finally, build emotional armor. People will tease you, doubt you, say you've changed, or try to pull you back into comfort. You don't react. You don't explain. You don't argue. Dogs bark. Trains don't stop. For 30 days, you move like a machine. Focus becomes your flex. Silence becomes your power. Results become your response. You don't need a new year. You don't need another motivational video. You need 30 focus days. Disappear. Shrink the timeline. Choose one goal. Set checkpoints. Become emotionally bulletproof. Do this seriously, and you won't recognize yourself a month from now. Now decide, what is the one goal you're committing to for the next 30 days? Stop talking. Start disappearing. I'll see you at the finish line.